Hello, this is Tech Flip or Marie. I'm doing a review of the Slime Inflator and Vacuum 2-in-1. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, this wire connects to the it connects to the what do you call this, the lighter, and then it's small, it's very portable, and then there is a LED that shows that your target PSI. So my car needs 32 PSI. And if you don't know what your tire pressure is, just go to the side of your car and then you'll see a sticker, and here it says, in mine is 32 PSI. So the front and the rear. There you go, 32 PSI front and rear tire. So that's on the side of your door. Okay, let's do a demo. I'm using my iPad, so please pardon me. I'm trying to focus something. Okay, so what you do is you connect this tube to the sorry, I don't know the name, hold on. So I'm gonna read it. So it says screw air hose. This is the air hose connector onto tires valve system. So this is the connector, and that gold thing is valve system, a valve stem. So sorry, I don't know much about cars, but I'm kind of learning as I go. So this is important, especially I'm a girl, and if something happens, I got a flat tire, I don't know what to do. So I bought this. I mean, if there's no help available, especially in the evening. Okay, so let's do this. Okay. So right now it's 27. So I need air. My target is 32. You can set it up here. This is the, you know, if you wanna go higher, use the positive or plus button, and lower is negative or low minus button. So later I'm going to show you how to set it up. So now we're ready. So what happened is this inflator will turn off by itself, so you don't need to turn it off manually. You don't need to turn it off manually if the 32 comes up on the LCD. So it says right now it's 31. Maybe I should put more. Let's see if it will still work. See, it died. I mean, it stopped by itself, so it means you got enough tire pressure. There you go. So it has a vacuum feature. So let's see. So this is the vacuum cleaner. Sorry. Sorry. I didn't know. I'm holding my iPad in my other hand. I'm sorry. So this is the vacuum cleaner. So you'll put the vacuum here. I'm just guessing right now. Hold on. Okay. And then this is the nozzle. So yeah, can you hear that? That's my review for Slime. It's a good product for me because it's light, it's portable, so you have an idea how big it is. So this is my tire. So it's like maybe I don't know how tall it is, what's the size, but it's small size, portable. It has a, there goes the vacuum, the dust for the vacuum. It's handy. So thank you for watching and hope you like my review. Please subscribe and click the bell button